Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Zero number 3062750 PSA. This is an Intumet fire seal. This is a piece of intumescent fire seal that's meant to be applied down to the, let's say, the style of a door, or maybe the top edge of a door, perhaps the bottom of the door as well. This has a PSA, it's pressure sensitive adhesive, and we'll go over the dimensional properties and then the specifications of the item. The overall width, it's going to be buried in the part number, I'm sure. 0.788, 0.788, that's the 7.5, it's supposed to be 3/4. The thickness of the material with its paper backer over the adhesive is 0.086 thick. That paper backer is going to be negligible, obviously, but does have a thickness. 0.003, 0.003. So 0.083, I'd say the final thickness. They're saying that it's 1/16 of an inch. That's where the 0.62 comes in. My caliper is telling me it's a bit thicker. FS 3003 Intumet, equipped with self-adhesive tape, used where smoke sealing is not required, and is designed to be mortised into a wood door or a frame, or into an edge strip of a wood or composite door leaf. Some technical specifications as follows. Activation temperature 250°F. If I were to literally take a lighter or a heat source and bring that to 250, it's going to start to expand significantly. Has a 20 times expansion volume. Expansion pressure, 27 psi, so that's going to be considered, I believe it'll be considered low pressure. Very good stability after expansion, and has a hard characteristic to it under the char. It does get quite hard. Flame and moisture resistant, chemically inert and paintable, non-carcinogenic, long life, odor free. Soft puff, that's the term I was looking for. Soft puff is developed specifically for doors so that they will move out at a relatively manageable rate of expansion. The rubber matrix material begins intumescing at relatively low temperatures, where organic materials begin to emit combustible and noxious gases. It expands gradually to fill all gaps with moderate force that will not unlatch the door, and has sufficient reservoir capacity to continue into messing if escape door is closed again. Stands up well to the stringent requirements for protecting fire doors on oil rigs, which are subject to especially intense heat and flame. Sold per foot, the maximum length is 8 feet in our site. Meaning, in our site, we list them up to 96 inch. If you need a 100-foot roll, just order, 25-foot pieces. Ship this as a continuous roll, 100 feet, that sort of business. Now, there's a link below this video to the installation instructions, and that's going to basically show you where the material will be applied, and you'll see it on the jamb itself. And this material is going to be used when you need to have an intumescent required for compliance with the opening. There's also a link below this video to the product brochure that will show you the other part numbers as the size changes, especially the width. The width has 4 sizes. There are 2 different thicknesses that are available as well. Okay. This material is going to carry the listed paperwork behind it, so that if you are attempting to have this approved for use in your application, like a hospital, under the scrutiny of a fire door audit or a fire door inspection, we'd be able to produce that paperwork for you, where you'd be able to submit it to the authority having jurisdiction and ask for approval to seal off those fire-rated doors appropriately. Gaps between doors and frames are very clearly stated in NFPA. However, the authority having jurisdiction does indeed make the final say on what's approved and what's not. And this material might very well be something improved to remedy maybe an excessive gap. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the zero intumescent or Intumet products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the 03062-750 PSA Intumet or any other Zero product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.